Good Tuesday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Zurich visiting now with meteorologist Chris Sramek at Decision Weather Now, as well as WeatherValet. Chris, very hot yesterday, continued warm, but not quite as hot today.
Yeah, Joe, we got a cool front that's backing in across Nebraska. It's now in northwest Kansas and northeast Colorado with northeast winds at 5, 10. Gusts are going to be picking up to 15, 25 miles per hour here late morning, early afternoon. And that's going to drop our temperatures about 10 degrees from what we saw yesterday. We'll be around 93 in McCook. We'll probably hit 95 in Goodland, Colby. Those winds will continue from that direction. There's going to be one other factor, is that the Canadian wildfire smoke is going to get pulled over the region, and so our sun will eventually get dimmer here as the afternoon goes on, and that could affect the temperatures a degree or two. Overnight, we're going to see the lows be mild in the upper 60s to near 70. There'll be haze in the clouds once again, but the winds will be shifting back to the south-southeast, and then that should set the stage for the potential for storms to roll off the Rockies and the Front Range tomorrow evening and again Thursday evening. This activity tomorrow doesn't look like it's well organized. Be very hit and miss. You might get a 15, 20 points of rain if some of the showers hold together once they cross into southwest Nebraska, northwest Kansas. Temperature-wise, will be in the lower 90s. Overnight lows will be in the middle 50s. Thursday, that chance looks better. Could pick up a quarter, half inch, maybe some small or slight risk of severe weather of a wind gust, micro wind gust of 40, 60 mile an hour, and maybe some small hail. Thursday's high will be in the low 80s. Overnight lows will be in the lower to mid 60s. Friday, the warming trend begins for the weekend. We'll see temperatures climb back in the low to mid 90s. Sunshine, hot. Temperatures for Saturday, high right around 100. Southwesterly breezes at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And then the hot day looks like Sunday at 103 with heat indexes reaching 105 or more. So we've got extreme heat coming back this weekend. It's right at fair time for across the region, lake time, and week looks pretty seasonal at this point tomorrow and Thursday.
As we get into next week and beyond, what are kind of the long-range models looking like?
But long-range models are showing this hot, dry weather to continue to the end of the month. Take a look at things then. You know, we do have this El Nino, Super El Nino kind of conversation going on if everything will turn hot, say warmer than normal, or at least normal to above normal temperature-wise and dry as we head into the end of summer and beyond. So right now, that's what we're worried about. Now we hopefully that'll be more of the drier, less active weather to the north, northwest, like it typically does, and we may catch some subtropical Gulf Stream moisture flow with storm systems tracking to the south of us.
Okay, once again, that's Ag Meteorologist Chris Sramek at Decision Weather Now, as well as WeatherValet. For KYVZ Radio, I'm Joe Zurich.